started doing some new designs and I thought I would share one of them with you. This piece is in the early stages of its development. While the shape and size are set, I'm now focusing on refining the best way to produce it. The process of refining the production takes time, and I need to go through several iterations before I can find that sweet spot. During this phase, I end up creating quite a few of these. These are like early 3D sketches of a design, a little glimpse into the creative process. I'm sharing this with you now to get your feedback before it's fully refined. So I don't have a name for this one yet. I'm just calling it Studio Prototype number 27. If you guys think of any fitting names for this planner, let me know. This piece is on the smaller side and has a minimalistic yet dynamic look. It has that sculptural form that is very fluid, organic, naturalistic feeling, which I think makes it work well visually as a planter. The legs raise the planter up off the table surface, which gives it that kind of floating feel. Since it's on the smaller side, I think it's perfect for those smaller plants, especially succulents. I think it's unique, it's simple, and it stands out in a cool way. Just to give you some quick details, the piece is 11 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 2.5 inches tall. It has a soil depth of 1.5 inches, so it's ideal for those small plants, the succulents, or the mini bonsai trees. It's definitely got that great space-saving size that makes it ideal for your desk, coffee table, or bedside table. So I wanted to show you this now to get your feedback before I get it fully refined. I would also love to hear what you think. Do you like this design? Do you like the size? Would you like to see it a larger size? For those who appreciate owning an early piece of the production process, I've made them available as well. Just head over to our studio store at bellavistacanyon.com and look for the prototype section. You'll see it. Also, let me know if you enjoy this type of video and want to see more of the early design stuff and the behind the scenes stuff.